Hey guys, so in this video I'll be pointing out the major differences between the IIIF150 B2 Pro and the IIIF150 B2 Ultra. Without further ado, let's quickly point out the major differences between these two great rugged phones. So the B2 Ultra and the B2 Pro have different designs. Obviously, the IIIF150 B2 Pro has a thickness of 11.8 millimeters, and I don't know if this weight is correct, but according to the details that I got, the device weighs about 349 grams, while the IIIF150 B2 Ultra has a thickness of 19.9 millimeters. So yeah, it's a lot thicker than the IIIF150 B2 Pro, and it weighs 465 grams. It's actually very heavy, and that's because of its huge battery. The IIIF150 B2 Pro has a 10,000 mAh battery, and it supports about 33 watts fast charging, while the IIIF150 B2 Ultra has a 15,000 mAh battery, and it supports 65 watts fast charging. Both devices have 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. The storage type is UFS 2.2, and I believe it can be expanded. In the camera department, I'm only going to mention the top camera. The IIIF150 B2 Ultra has a 200MP primary sensor. I'm only going to mention the top camera because I do not know the other camera features of the IIIF150 B2 Pro yet. Like I mentioned earlier, it's an upcoming rugged phone, but I know its main camera. The main camera of the B2 Pro is 108MP, while the main camera of the B2 Ultra is 200MP, and both devices have the same 32MP front-facing camera. Both devices have the same 6.8-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz IPS LCD punch hole display. But the IIIF150 B2 Ultra has a secondary display which measures 1.1 inches. The B2 Pro doesn't have a rear display. Both devices are powered by the Helio G99. Both devices also ships with the latest Android 13 and is the stock version of Android. Other features like IP68 and IP69K, military grade standard certification, and other features like NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, both devices support these features, okay? And both devices also has FM radio. Anyway, these are the top differences and similarities between the IIIF150 B2 Pro and the B2 Ultra. As you can see, they are not very different. They are almost similar in terms of specs. The B2 Ultra is expected to be more expensive than the B2 Pro. Currently, the B2 Ultra is sold for about $230 on AliExpress. The B2 Pro is expected to be cheaper than that. Anyway, what are your thoughts about these two rugged phones? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.